Don't let the helicopter control the bus. Words and pictures written by Illustrations Richerd A.B. Jr. Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I got a good feeling about the bad feeling.
What?
About this. Don't let the helicopter control the bus. Words and pictures written by Illustrations Richerd A.B. Jr. Can I control the bus? No.
Hey, Dad, by the way.
Please? No. I'll be careful. No. My us family almost drive the bus every day. No. Vroom, vroomy vroom vroom. Helicopter at the wheels. No. No? I never get to anything well. Hey, I got a better idea. Let's play drive the bus. I go first. No. Come on. What's around the block? No. I be a best friend. No. No fair. No. I be my good one. No. I love my mom and dad. No. Fine. No. Let me drive the bus. I'm back. You didn't let the helicopter drive the bus. Bye. Goodbye. Have fun for grounded. Hey. Aw, I was driving the truck too. No.